Koenig equipment offers planter performance upgrades through John Deere. So we can simply take a planter like this that started out as a 2013 1770 with variable rate, active pneumatic downforce, and row command, and upgrade it to just like new. So what we do in this situation is we'll actually unbolt the old row unit off the planter, and we're going to roll on a pre-assembled factory built row unit. So it's the same row units at the same factory where they build the new planters, and we're simply going to put that on our bar that we started with. So we can go all the way up to ExactEmerge technology. You can see our ExactEmerge meter here. We also got hydraulic downforce, easy adjust pneumatic row cleaners that we can adjust from the cab, along with our pneumatic closing wheels we can also adjust from the cab. So we can get pretty much all of the options that we can get on a new planter within a performance upgrade. So you don't necessarily have to go all the way if you don't necessarily need some of these options like the closing wheels or the row cleaners. You can simply just get a standard electric drive if you want to go that option. So we can upgrade planters all the way back to 2005. This is our actual personal planter that we use on my own family farm. We've used it in this capacity for 2 years as a performance upgrade, and we've been very happy with the ExactEmerge hydraulic downforce package on this planter, and we would recommend this upgrade to anybody.